Vivo has officially confirmed the design and key features of its upcoming S20 series, set to launch on November 28. Both the standard S20 and the S20 Pro come with a flat back panel and a flat middle frame design. The lineup include the Vivo S20 and Vivo S20 Pro models. The company has now posted a promo video for Vivo S20 series. Vivo S20 come in Phoenix Feather Gold, Jade Dew White, Pine Smoke. Vivo S20 Pro come in Phoenix Feather Gold, Air Purple, Pine Smoke. Vivo S20 Pro will have a 6.67 inches 1.5K resolution curved edges on all four sides screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and an in-screen fingerprint sensor. The camera department Vivo S20 Pro triple lens, a 50MP main rear camera using Sony's IMX921 sensor, a 50MP ultrawide, and a 50MP 3x zoom periscope telephoto using Sony's IMX882 sensor. 50-megapixel selfie camera. The Vivo S20 Pro powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, up to 16 GB of RAM, and up to 1 TB of storage. It is expected to be backed by a 6500 mAh typical battery, and support for 90W fast charging. The phones will arrive as a premium mid-range offering, with a focus on design aesthetics, performance, and cameras. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.